Holiday stress got you and your furry friend pulling their hair out? Well, the good doctor is here with some tips to hopefully save both of your sanities.
Very merry holiday greetings, everybody. This is Dr. Langlois of the Pet Pantry of Lancaster County with your pet health tip of the day. And obviously we're at the holiday season, and there are some people out there that when the holidays come around and they know there's going to be tons of family and friends gathering for those wonderful holiday and family get-togethers that react like this. Or some of them, even like this.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
And the reason I bring both of these examples up is, well, our animal friends can actually feel and react the same way, especially during this time of year when there's a lot of hustle and bustle going around. There's a lot of stress on us throughout the holiday season a lot of times, and that stress can be transferred into our pets because they perceive that things are wrong. And we just want to make sure that everybody has a wonderful holiday, and this tip is going to kind of focus around making sure that the stress level of your pet is not too great, and there's some things that you can do to help alleviate that. Now, there are some animals out there, dogs and cats, that basically take to any stranger, and they will have no problem with new people coming in. They love it, they're friendly, they love the extra affection, and there are some that will become very, very stressed and sometimes even scared during these holiday get-togethers. So there's a couple of things you want to try to remember to help keep your pets safe. And the first is definitely watch them, especially if you have nervous or flighty animals, because the doors are going to constantly be opening and closing as people are coming in and out. You don't want an animal darting out on you, especially if you live near a busy street or something like that. All of the scenery and the lights and stuff can even be scary for them outside if they happen to jump outside real quick. So try to avoid that. You really also want to try to see if you can provide a safe haven area in your home for your pet. And this is a room where nobody else will be, that maybe the animal feels most comfortable in, bringing his bed, her bed in there, some toys that they know. Areas where they really can feel comfortable and not be disturbed. And for animals that are used to being in their crate, maybe moving the crate into that area, because the crate can feel like a safe haven for them. And finally, if you do run into a situation where you have an animal that is very, very stressed around these types of situations, talk to your veterinarian about some anti-anxiety medications for the 1 or 2 days that you may need. There's many of them out there that are used today. One of them, Xanax is used, alprazolam is sometimes used, as well as trazodone can be used. Those are 3 meds to talk to your vet about. You kind of want to avoid sometimes just the straight sedatives, because as we've talked about in previous tips where you're dealing with storm phobias and things like that, you're not taking the anxiety away, you're just making them a little more sedate. You really want to try to go with a true anti-anxiety there to make the animal feel better. So, we want everybody to have an absolutely wonderful season here. Everybody at the Pet Pantry is doing great, and we hope you are all at home too, and we hope you've enjoyed all these year-long pet health tip segments. We're going to be coming at you in 2016 with a ton more too, so have a great holiday, and that is your holiday sanity, hopefully sanity keeping, pet health tip of the day.
And as we said all year, for more information, be sure to visit these great websites, or for the most up-to-date information, how about calling your local vet?